Thutha wa mumirira ma githurano giki kira kirekinyitwo ni makiri ma arimi, arugamiriri ero ni magiritio kuingira ihingo-ini cia ithii ici, arimi makiuga kuri na njama ya gutharario kwa mubango wa mwathanire ona thutha wao kunania wendi wao na njira ya gucuka miti.
Right from the farmer, who's the lowest man, who does a lot of work to make sure that there is tea delivered in the factories, to our tea buying centers where farmers have been losing lots of kgs because of the clerks who preside over the weighing of those teas are corrupt.
Ote ithurano iria ingi, mutaratara wa ithurano ici mwena wa Kisii na Nyamira ukoretwo gitugio mung'ethaniro kuma kuri ma directors a KTDA aria ona hanini makoretwo matakunyita mbaru ithurano ici.
Ile tunaita chazo bulitoa watu wa Kitutu Chache North kama zoni moja kwa zoni 6 ya Tombe Tea Factory ni lazima mpate mazao.
Arimi maugite ni makoretwo makiguoyohio, arugamiriri ero amatinga makiuga ni meharirie kung'ethanira na ungumania uria ukoretwo ku ruhonge-ini rwa kuramata wendi na uguri wa macani.
Nimesema ya kwamba nitafanya kazi kufuatana na yale mtaniambia, na mimi mwenyewe nitahakikisha ya kwamba auditing ile imezunguziwa imefanyika kwa hii factory.
The President gave a directive and the farmers from this area, zone 7, have taken up that directive. They are taking possession of the asset, and that asset is this tea factory.
Arugamiriri ero magukorwo makirugamirira ithei 13 gicigo-ini kiu, utongoria-ini uria utanyitwo kwambikirwo mung'ethaniro ni utongoria wa tene wa mwena ucio. Ribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.